Okay, Lisa just bought this blind box. Let's see what it is. Okay, you're a little too close.
What do you think it is? I think it's the secret one. Oh.
Hey, but that's so cute though.
But I have the mini one.
Oh, you're right.
Cute though.
I'm so happy for you. Okay, I'm gonna open mine.
Wait, which one do you want?
The one pom-pom here.
Oh, okay.
Wait, do a little tapping. It is smart.
What do you think it is?
The secret one.
Don't
What?
tell me. Okay, but I bought another one.
Which one do you want?
Obviously pom-pom.
No way. No way.
I'm scared.
I'm gonna chuck your phone. I'm just kidding. Should I go back and buy one?
You thought no. Lisa bought this.
It's for my boyfriend. It looks just like him.
Is this normal?
So right now we're actually going to T-Mobile to get a new phone line.
Lisa, I'm not allowed to be in this state.
It's Motorola? Motorola sucks.
It's not Motorola, it's Samsung.
Is this Motorola?
Oh, this is the wrong one. Let's go to the Samsung one.
I feel like children with their parents at the phone store.
여보세요? 아닌데?
You're clicking on the screen?
Oh. 끊어.
Good, very good.
That was not funny.
Sorry.
Okay, never mind. Okay. We just went to the most incredible store ever. Dun, 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 dun. And I just bought 3 blind box Smiskies.
3?
3.
I thought you only got 2.
I didn't buy it. Juju bought it for me.
Wow.
I don't know why. I'm the first Smisky whiskey.
Bite it open. Bite it.
I want this one and the
You always want the mystery one.
mystery. Bruh.
What?
Where's it in the top?
It's
Oh
the
my-
underwear. I'm concentrating. Please be the special one. I swear I'm gonna kill myself if I get thing one.
And we're family friendly here.
Oh, I'm gonna unalive
I'll
myself.
kill it.
Let's manifest this special one.
You wanted it so bad you manifested too.
Guys, look at these cute ones.
Basically, she knew that she
I'm
has an
buying
addiction.
4 of them.
She needs to
Hello? I'm getting a high off of my addiction.
stop. Don't get more. Okay, put it down.
I want this one. So, and we don't want water leaf.
Yeah, I don't like that one either. Girl, what? Okay, next. What? Oh. You're actually so good at manifesting. You know, both of us are actually really good at manifesting.
Oh, it's a star. Oh, it's a moon.
Look, for the full moon. Wait, you didn't even buy clothes. You just got blind boxes instead.
Same one.
Bro.
Wait,
It's cute though.
that's not the one I want. Wait, that's the one on the picture. Oh.
That's really cute though.
But imagine getting this one.
Or this one, the heart one.
But imagine getting the car one.
Hi vlog. We're decorating for our friend's birthday. It's a surprise party. We went to Party City to pick up some balloons. This one's getting super flat.
Did we shove it in the car too hard?
I don't know. It's fine, whatever. I think we're gonna start decorating the table first. We also got some fairy lights for ambiance. Honestly, if this looks tacky, it looks tacky. We're gonna do a time lapse. Look what fell. It is not going that well right now. This thing fell earlier, but now it's up. We're gonna do a balloon time lapse, and we're keeping on this angle just to see when this thing's gonna fall. It's on its last limb.
It's been up for about 5 minutes.
Not even 5 minutes. It's been up for like friggin' 30 seconds.
Oh, these straws are paper.
I know, it's gross. Which way do I put the straw?
Girl, I was just gonna say, and I didn't want to seem stupid, so I just kept my mouth shut.
Oh my god.
And you're fighting for your life over here. It happened!
I put like 40,000 adhesives on it. If it doesn't stay, then. Again, what do we think?
Julia?
I mean, when there's this many candles, it doesn't matter where they are.
You know what's gonna look like the Sleeping Beauty cake where it's like a bunch of candles on top?
Hey.
This is my first time having this cake. Am I excited?
That's really
Me
good.
too.
What flavor is it?
Very
My
chantilly.
favorite cake too.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. What am I supposed to do? Happy birthday.
I don't know, clap.
To you. Happy birthday, dear Phoebe. Happy birthday to you. Smile.